Don't you want to learn English? Do you think it is very tough language, very hard language? It's next to impossible to learn. Has anybody ever told you like this? I don't know why you don't have desire to learn this English language. This is very interesting language. If you speak English language with somebody, then you will feel really energetic. You will enjoy speaking English. Yeah, literally, trust me. I speak English with my friends. I speak English with unknown people, and I feel more confident that time. So I don't know what's your problem. And I have never seen you practicing anywhere. Neither you practice at your home nor you practice with your friends. What's wrong with you? Do you not have any friends? I know you have your friends. You might not have English friend, but I also belong to English. You can practice with me. And one day okay, just walk with me. One day I think you were walking on the road and I saw you with a person. You were trying to have conversation in English, but I think you were unable that time. You were, stammering. Why? So can you speak with me in English? Can you speak?
Yes.
Okay, let's try. You have to speak with me. As I will do, you have to follow me. Because by doing this, we can make it a public speaking. And public speaking means, speak in front of people. By the way, we don't have many people here, but how many are available here? That's enough for all. This is our beginning stage to speak, to start this public speaking journey. We can be fluent, we can be a good public speaker. Main thing, always use hand in speaking. Okay, there I can see someone at a long distance. Just follow me. There I can see someone at a long distance. There I can see someone at a long distance. So, that person.
Who that person?
I can't even
I
recognize.
can't even recognize.
Okay, so there is a girl
There is a girl
who always
who always
bothers me.
bothers me.
Bothers me.
Bothers
Should I beat her?
Should I beat her?
No.
Yes.
No.
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 I should not even
I should not even
touch her.
touch her.
Okay?
Okay.
I don't have even
I don't have given even
interest
interest
to
see
to
to
touch.
touch.
Why to waste time?
Why to
Waste
waste
our
our time?
precious
Precious
time.
time.
No.
No.
Now you know what I am thinking.
Now you know what I am thinking.
So ladies and gentlemen.
So ladies and gentlemen.
So ladies and gentlemen.
So ladies and gentlemen.
Who am I?
Who am I?
Who am I?
Who am I?
Do I have any identification?
Do I have
Any identification?
identification?
No.
No.
Not yet.
Not yet.
But remember,
But remember.
I will
make
an
an
identity
identity
of myself.
of myself.
And I will prove myself
And I will improve myself
by being
by being
capable
capable
for something.
for something.
You think now
You think now
I'm not capable
I am not capable
for
for
public speaking.
public speaking.
No.
No.
This is your
This is your
illusion.
illusion.
This is your
This is your
misconception.
misconception.
Don't
Don't
underestimate
underestimate
to a
to a
village boy.
village boy.
I admit.
I admit.
I belong to village.
I belong to village.
But
But
I can speak English
I can speak English
confidently
confidently
in front of you,
you
in front of, before
all.
all. I have
I have
courage.
courage.
I have
I have
that much
that much
ability.
ability.
I have
I have
that
the
enthusiasm
enthusiasm
to speak,
to speak,
to go,
to go,
to grow
to grow
in life.
in life.
Don't.
Don't.
Should I tell more?
So I tell more.
Should I speak more?
Should I speak more?
No.
No.
Never.
Never.
Ever.
Ever.
If I speak,
If I speak,
then You can't
You can't
hear.
hear.
So,
So
close your ears
close your ears
and
and
don't
don't
annoy me.
annoy me.
You
You
merely
merely
you are there
there
annoying me.
annoying me.
Don't
Don't
bother me.
bother me.
So here
So here
I finish my
finish my
public speaking.
public speaking.
I am a
I am a
confident
confident
public speaker.
public speaker.
Not that much,
Not that much,
but I am.
but I am.
I
I
am.
am.
Thank you everybody for
Thank
listening
you
to me.
everybody
For listening
listening
to
to
me.